If this scares you, AI is already replacing you. Not in the future, right now. Here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not AI that takes jobs. It's people who use AI, replacing people who don't. While you're still doing tasks manually, someone else is doing 10 times more work with AI. So what is this you should be scared of? Writing everything from scratch, Googling for hours instead of prompting, doing repetitive tasks manually, avoiding AI tools because they feel too complex. If any of these sound like you, you're already behind. Companies are not hiring effort anymore. They're hiring leverage. They want people who can use AI to move faster, automate workflows, solve problems with fewer resources. One person with AI can now do the work of an entire team. That's the shift. A developer using AI ships code faster, debugs in minutes, learns new stacks instantly. A content creator using AI writes scripts in seconds, generates ideas daily, edits faster than ever. Same job, different output. Guess who gets hired? But here's the part most people miss. AI is not your competition. Your competition is someone who knows how to use it. If you learn AI, you don't get replaced. You become the one replacing others. Start simple. Pick one tool. Use it daily for your work. Learn prompting like a skill. Automate one task every week. Don't try to master everything. Focus on leverage. The AI advantage isn't just about speed. It's about skill multiplication. When you leverage these tools, you're not just working, you're optimizing every decision at scale. The solution is a strategic shift. You must move from being a doer of tasks to a manager of AI systems. This is where your value truly lies in the modern economy. At Skilldential, we apply urban systems logic to identify these systemic leverage points. It's not just about learning a tool. It's about decoding how that tool scales your impact. This isn't just a local trend. This is a global landscape shift. Companies from Lagos to London are optimizing their technical infrastructure to prioritize those who can master AI leverage. Future-proofing your career isn't about chasing every new tool. It's about building a foundation of AI-powered leverage that remains stable regardless of how the technology evolves. So again, if this scares you, AI is already replacing you. But if you act now, you can be on the other side of that shift. I am Lawrence. Visit skilldential.com to decode high-level career skills through urban systems logic. I'll see you in the next video.